Hello, friends. Thank you for visiting my channel again. Today, I am bringing you a video on how to map a drive. There are times when you might want to either create a shortcut to a folder that is very deep, where you have to click 10 times to get to that folder, and you don't necessarily want to have a shortcut on your desktop. So you can create a map drive, and that gives you access to the folder. It can also is used when you have other computers on your network and you want to share the files with those other computers. They can have access to a folder, particular folder, and any files inside that folder. So for now, let's go ahead and right click on this. This drive is already mapped, so I'm going to unmap it so we can start from scratch. So we're going to go to more options, and over here where it says disconnect, we're going to disconnect the drive. Okay, here we go. Alright, so let me go back to the upper corner over here. So let's start here. We're going to go to C drive. We're going to look for the folder C drive and users and public documents, Intuit, QuickBooks, company file. Alright, so actually let's go back one step because I need to share this folder, the files that I need are inside this folder. So we're going to right click on this folder. We're going to go properties, and properties we're going to say sharing, and you're going to go to share. Over here you want to make sure that this is read and write, whichever option you want to give over here. It could be just read or read and write. So once you do that, you can click on share, and in this case I can because it's already shared, and we're gonna just cancel because it's already shared, and you can see the path over here to the file. So from here you want to go to advanced sharing. You want to make sure that this is checked. From there you want to go to permissions, and you want to make sure that these three boxes are checked depending on what rights you want to give. Full access, or if you want something different, so you select what you want. If you want to deny anything here, you can. This is where you do it. So we're gonna click apply and OK. There's no apply because it's already done. So we're gonna close that. We're gonna close that. We're gonna close this. And this folder is already shared. So anything that's in there is going to be shared. So make sure that any files you put in there, you intend on sharing, because anything that's in there will be shared. So from there, now we're going to go back to here, and we're going to press the Window R keys, and in this box we are going to type CMD for command. Alright, so that is going to bring the command window. Let me bring it down a little bit. Okay. In this command window, you are going to type ipconfig. Alright, so it's going to bring this window over here, and what you need from here is that IPv4 address, which is your local machine IP address. So you want to go ahead and copy this. Here you can either do a Control C, or you can right click and click on copy. So we're going to do the Control C. At this point we can close this window, and from here we are going to go back to the window. Actually, hold on, there's two ways you can do this. From here you can, which is the long way to do it, you can go to this PC, and this PC, then you can go to these three dots up here, and from here you can say map drive. Okay, over here you're gonna have a letter assigned to it, which usually will select any probably the last letter on your alphabet. You can select anything from here as long as it's not being used. So we're gonna leave it as Z drive because it really doesn't really matter. To get to the folder that you want to share, so you're gonna have to do the backslash, and then you're gonna put the IP address there. Okay, so let me move this window. Backslash, and then IP. So now you click on browse. It's gonna bring this window here. You're gonna click on your network, and there's your company file. You're gonna select it, and then that's it. You're gonna press OK. It's gonna bring you back to this window, and you're gonna click on finish, and it's gonna create a Z drive. I'm not gonna finish it because I want to show the shortest way to do this. So yeah, pretty much when you do this, you'll be done. Finish. Then you're gonna see a Z drive down over here on my PC, on this PC. But let me close this for now. Let me show you the other way. So the other way to do this is we're gonna go back to this corner over here, and we're gonna do the window R. Okay, we're gonna do the backslash IP address. So from when you copy this from the command window, you can just come straight over here rather and just do this, and you don't have to do this part over here and going back down with that. So you just go again, Windows R, IP address, click OK. That brings you straight to the folder right over here. So once you are here, all you have to do is right click, more options, and map drive right over here. Okay, so now it's going to bring that out of the window that we did previously over here, but in this case it's going to be showing you the company file folder already there because it's the one that you're selecting right up here. So it's going to show here. So what you got to do here is finish, and look what happens. Boom, it brings you right to the folder with and into the files that you want to use. So this is your folder now that can be shared over the network, and if you need to go to the file that's in that folder, you don't have to click on the users into it, this that. So you just click here, and there you are. So that is how you map the drive, and I hope this was clear enough. It helps you whenever you need to map that drive. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Your support is appreciated, and it gives me incentives to keep working and making videos in order to help you and help others. I will not only be making computer videos, I do videos about everything: mechanics, electric, plumbing, about everything. So it's good to try to stay in touch with me, so I can you can learn to do how to lot of stuff. I'm one of those they call jack of all trades, master of none, but I get things done. Pretty much that's it. Please subscribe. It is appreciated. Have a good day, and thank you so much for watching.